Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Now let's move on to the question I have written. The question is help with Google Ads budget for a specific ad schedule. Hi Ali, I'm setting up a Google Ads campaign for my business and need some advice on how to structure the budget. Here's the situation. I want to run ads only on Friday and Saturday from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. I've set my monthly budget to €80, but when I do it, Google calculates a daily budget of around 2.70. Since I'm only running the campaign 8 days per month, 4 Fridays and 4 Saturdays, my actual daily budget should be closer to 10. 10 euro 80 divided by 8 days. The problem is I don't want to spend more than 10 per day, but I also don't want my ads to be limited to 2.7 per day due to the monthly budget. Should I increase the monthly maximum amount or adjust the daily budget manually to ensure the campaign runs optimally during these specific hours? I really appreciate your insights or experience with this. Okay, so for an issue like this, first of all, what you have to do is simply go to your ad schedule. This is a simple account. I'm just going to search and write over here ad schedule, and I simply go to my ad schedule, and you can see over here that this is the ad schedule of this account. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select Friday and Saturdays, so I'm going to write over here Friday and Saturday, like you told over here that you want to run on Friday and Saturday. So first of all, I'm going to do it my ad schedule, and I'm going to save the timings when I'm going to run it. After this, I'm going to simply select the budget over here, and I'm going to write the budget of €10 over here. Now the algorithm may show you a different budget, but simply ignore it and write your expected or desired daily budget over here and simply select the CV over here. And then you have to optimize oversee your campaign as well, because you may not be running your ad on other days. Your budget will only be spent of €10 a day as you designed over it. Because and right now the suggestion they are saying, like, the Google calculates a daily budget of around 2. You just have to simply ignore it, and rather setting your monthly budget to 80, set your daily budget over here to 10 a day. And because your campaign will not run on others days, so you will not spend any money on other days, and you will only spend €10 a day when your ad is running on. So this is a simple and easy formula. While you may run it in, but if you are extra conscious or extra worried, you can optimize your, or oversee your campaign for that day to see the results are performing or not, as what I'm saying. So I hope this answers your question, and you do not need any extra work. You just have to set your ad schedule and set your budget over here, and this may be enough to run your ads for Friday and Saturday at €10 a day. But in case if you want a detailed audit of your Google Ads account, or in case if you need Google Ads setup or management service, and if you want my team assistance in that, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we would love to work and sort out these issues. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.